Don't just save money, but make money grow, guys. What I did on this one, guys, this is the kabocha squash. The only money that I put out on this one, of course, is the water. The plant itself, I got it from a seed that I bought a kabocha squash and took the seeds from it. And the soil, guys, is just the compost area that we've been putting here for the last year. Yeah, that's the only investment. But guys, if I could grow a lot of kabocha squash here, we can go ahead and sell it, make a little bit of money, and take maybe save some for us so we can cook it, save the seed, and we can go ahead and plant some more kabocha squash. So actually we're gonna be making money, but I don't want to keep my hopes up. Hopefully it'll go ahead and strive and bear a lot of fruit. So that's the plan. But yeah, so this one we have the jujube also. That's another investment. And the persimmon trees, hopefully we'll get a lot of persimmons that we could do the same thing and sell it and make a little bit of money. Yep, just don't save money, guys, but make money grow.